Welcome to another session of Microsoft Excel. So, in the last session, we understood how to insert charts. Now, we'll understand how to print charts. If you want to print the whole sheet, that is okay, that we can do it. But if you just want to print the chart, we can do that also. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. So we'll select the chart. We'll go on the File tab. We'll click on Print. We'll select because we have selected, that's why Print selected chart, and we'll click on Print. And the chart will be printed. Okay. So there is one more thing we can do. Control P. This is the shortcut. So what we did, two things we need to understand. If you want to print the chart, we have to select the chart, go on the File tab, click on Print. We have to select the printed chart. We can change whatever we want to as per our own perspective, and we can print. We can make multiple copies. We have to change the printer. We can do that also. If we want to make it a color printout, because that is what it meant, we can do that also. We can do anything we want to, and then we can click on print. The shortcut is Control P. The shortcut is Control plus P. Okay. So this is about how to print the charts. The user can print a chart created on Microsoft Excel by using the print option from the File tab. Instead of the worksheet, only the selected chart will be printed. See, we can print the data. It's easy to do it, but we just need to print the charts because see, when you work with a large data sets and there are a lot of charts we can select. See, there is only one chart right now. We can have multiple charts as well. So which chart we want to print, we have to give that instruction to the Excel so that it can move forward. Because Excel is also a machine. You have to give the command and it will follow. Okay? So this is about how to print chart. Just I'll give you a brief understanding. Again, a brief revision, we can do it. How to create the chart, we can select the data. Suppose country and sales. We will go to insert tab, we go to recommended charts, and we'll select the tab. We can move anything we want, we can keep it anywhere we want, we can keep one chart above the other, anything is possible. There are chart elements, chart styles, chart filters. We can make any changes we want, we can change the color, anything we can work on. We can switch row column, we can change the chart type, we can move the chart, we can select the data, we can change the color, we can change the layout, we can add the chart element, we can do it from here also, and we can do it from these three options also. Okay? We can change the format also. So this is wonderful. We can change the outline, we can change the effects, we can change, the size, height, width, anything we can change. Okay, we can change the art also, we can give the effects also, we can change the figures also, we can do anything we want. There are too many functions and we can work on all of them. It is amazing. We can make it as creative, as beautiful we want, and as simple as we can, so that someone is making analysis by that particular chart, he or she will understand each and everything. They don't have to go and check the data and understand what the chart is trying to say. Then what is the purpose of chart if the person is going and seeing the data? If a person wants to avoid the data, then the chart is useful. Okay, so this is about inserting chart.